Hello everyone, myself Sangida and I'm studying in a department of artificial intelligence and data science at a National Engineering College, Kolkata. I have done this project as a part of my course Fundamentals of the Data Science and Analytics under the guidance of Dr. Jane Askar, Professor of the ADS. And the title of my project is a Chi-squared Statistical Analysis Web Application. This application is developed to perform the statistical hypothesis testing and the categorical data in an easy and efficient way. Now I will demonstrate my project, and this is a homepage of my application. It provides a simple and interactive interface for performing a chi-square application. As I scroll down, there are this is analysis section where the user can perform the statistical test. Here, the application provides two types of the test: goodness of fit and the test of independence. First, I will demonstrate the goodness of the fit test. In this section, the user can enter the observed and the frequent observed and the expected value. There is also a file upload option where the user can upload the upload the files using like a CSV, Excel, or the PDF. Now I will enter the sample values. Then I click run analysis. Here we can see the chi-square value, degrees of freedom, p-value, and the critical value. Based on these values, the system gives the final decision whether to accept or reject the null hypothesis. Below that, the application shows the step-by-step calculation using the formula O minus E the whole square, summation of O minus E the whole square divided by E. Uh, which helps the user to understand how the result is calculated. Further, this bar chart shows the comparison between observed and the expected values, making it easy to visualize the difference. This graph represents the chi-square distribution along with the rejected region. Now I will move to the test of the independence. In this section, the user can enter the values in a table format with the rows and columns representing the categorical data. The system provides calculation similarly and provides the result. Um, Now loading the example for this test of independence. Same as like that, goodness of it will show the chi-square value, degrees of freedom, p-value, critical value, and then the application says whether to reject or accept the hypothesis, and then it shows the step by step process, and it shows the bar chart and the chi-square distribution. Then I will move to the reference table. This is the chi-square reference table shows the critical values for the degrees of freedom and the significance level. This helps the user to compare their calculated values with the standard values. And this application is deployed online using a Rend, and it can be accessed anytime for performing a statistical analysis. Thank you.